Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I'm going to show you how to add custom HTML code on your Shopify online store. So if you are very beginner and you want to add any interactive picture or any interactive section on your Shopify online store in any page, that will be home page or product page or cart page or any other page like about us or contact page, but you don't know how to add this custom code snippet, then this tutorial will be very helpful for you. Also, if you wanted to become a Shopify store designer, developer or customizer, then you can continue this video, because here you are going to learn everything in a step-by-step way and you can apply it on your next project. So before I start this video, we must have to know why and when we should add this custom HTML code snippet. In maximum time, if you are very beginner, you may start your Shopify online store with free theme. You start design it, but you will not find a lot of premium featured or very important element of your Shopify online store that directly increase your sales, help your Shopify online store to rank on search result organically, and obviously it's give the better feel of your audience to browse on your website. They spend more time, and when they spend more time on your Shopify online store or any website, the purchase opportunity increase definitely, and that's why you must have to know why you should add. Also, in free theme you never get always the ready theme option on your Shopify online store theme customization section, and this time you must have to add the custom code. So here I'm going to share how add it, also share 2 or 3 example so that you can know it very deeply and apply on your Shopify online store. Also, why this tutorials is very important, because you will find a lot of video on same topics in YouTube, but the problem is that Shopify updating their interface, their dashboard, admin panel, theme, everything day by day, because people moving on Shopify rapidly, and Shopify has the best opportunity for small businesses or new entrepreneur, and that's why you should up to date with your Shopify online store. For example, if you follow the old video, the video interface and your current Shopify dashboard you does not match, and that feel you stuck or boring and you cannot get this result. So that's why you should always watch the updated video, and I'm working as a Shopify developer for last 6 years, and uploading video relevant my skill on my YouTube channel. If you check it, you will find a lot of video on Shopify store design, customization and development, also the Shopify SEO, and that's why you should watch this video, because it's updated and recently uploaded. Also, you always find the updated video on my YouTube channel, and for that you can subscribe my YouTube channel to get the instant notification from my YouTube channel when I upload video. And I try to upload new video every day, even a shorts video or a post on my YouTube community, and it will be very helpful for your Shopify online store if you subscribe to my YouTube channel, because you will get the customization, development and store design tips and tricks, ready code snippet, also SEO relevant guideline. So right now we are going to start how to add it and get the result. Here is one of my Shopify online store under development, and I have added carousel slider in here. You see, here is the tab section like best seller, new arrival, popular, time counter, moving content, slider, testimonial section. Added a lot of things, but I add more things on others store. So now we are going to add custom HTML code on our Shopify online store. So I'm going to my Shopify admin panel, and here is my Shopify admin panel. Click on the customize. Okay, and I'm going to add some things. For example, I want to add some things on under the slideshow. In here, add section and search code or custom liquid. Okay, and now we are going to add custom code in here. And first of all, I'm going to add animate product base. Here is the ready code snippet. I'm going to paste it in here, just show you the result. Paste. You see, hot del, very interactive. We can add it in others part. I'll show you. Then we are going to add another custom code. So we're going to add another code snippet, add section, custom. Then here we are going to add another code snippet, interactive product quiz. Copy this one, add it on here. We can add this quiz on the product page. You see, find your perfect product. What's your main goal? Here is the quiz. We can add another one, scrolling testimonial trigger. Just copy it. Okay, here we are going to add another code snippet, paste it, click on the save, and you see we have added the scrolling testimonial trigger. You see, by default you will not get this picture. Then interactive size guide, though this picture for product page, but I'm going to just show you in here, and I can show you it on the product page. Let me open any product, then I can add interactive size guide in here. So product information in here, add custom liquid, and here I'm going to paste it and move this custom liquid on the above on description. Click on the save, and now going to reload, open any product. Okay, open this one, go to the any product, open this one, and you see size guide. If I click on it, here is the size guide, open nice way. Also we have others example in here that we can add. Animate countdown timer, we can add it. Just copy and add this code snippet in here, add code snippet in here, custom code. Okay, click on the save, and you see we have added nice countdown timer in here. So I hope you understand how we can add custom HTML code on our Shopify online store. Also, I just add this code from the AI tools. So this is the another secret easy tips. You can easily make any code snippet using AI. Just share your target or what you wanted to get from AI and what you want to add on your Shopify online store, and simply copy the code and paste it on your Shopify online store. Then you will find the result. So thank you so much for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify WordPress SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.